Fucking heartbreaking. So this would be Scion update, system upgrade, fucking chapter 2. Got this all in. Blew this sub, or blew this amp. Skar's warranting me on this one. Fucking awesome people, awesome company. Fuck what everybody says on the internet. Great stuff. Pretty sure it was my fault. I avoided every warranty possible. I was completely honest with them. And shot them pictures of my build. And they're warranting me a new RP2K. I'll just get this one repaired. Put it away for a rainy day. And yeah, so what's going to happen here is got a bunch of different cardboard, some old Ryobi pressure washer boxes, and floorboard, and knack box toolbar cardboard. Take this out. I could have saved a lot of fucking money, dude, if I would have done this in the first place like I wanted to. But seats are coming out. So cardboard's to mock up a new platform for the back. Drops down to where the back seats were. Batteries and amps are going to go there, away from the box. Subs are not going to be anywhere near this high. I didn't want them this high, but it happened. So subs up, port to the back. Should sound way better. This sounded fucking amazing when I played, but I should get better sound from this positioning. I don't know if I want to invert the subs or not. Give me your guys' input on that. Yeah, tear this thing out, man, and start getting ready for the new one. Got $300 put away. I should have the money saved up for the SKV2 3500 pretty soon, so I have everything I need to put this thing together while I save money. I wasn't do the A-firm thing, but it was like $60 a month for 12 months. It would have came out to like $740 or something. It was so tempting. They approved me for $2,500, but I got enough bills right now, so started tearing this out. Man, I could have went a whole different fucking route. Bought a smaller one of these. I'm gonna make a new one of these, maybe. I don't know. We'll see. I have a bunch of shit left over, so I might do some giveaways or raffles or whatever with you guys, but we'll see what I got left over. Other than that, man, fucking heartbreaking. Heartbreaking, dude. Like you don't even know. Maybe you do know. It's my first time blowing some shit, and I'm not lying, dude. It's messing with my confidence too, so my confidence with other people's stuff is what I mean. It's cool if I blow my own shit, but like, people give me their money to buy their equipment, build their shit, and install it. I don't want something like this to happen. So it is what it is, man. Chapter 2, Scion upgrade. Let's do this. So these gave me a fucking hard time because I didn't realize at the beginning that this black piece loosens. Let me see. See, it loosens. Then when you put it on, you tighten it up. I was trying to shove these things on, fucking killing my fingertips. So if you get the Sky High premiums, loosen this. See how it fans these out. They tighten up more, but yeah, I fucking love this thing. If I made these, you think people would buy them? Let me know. So this works out perfect. If I ever need to put my seats back in, there's a small weld. Anyways, this was to be easier. And right there is my fuel pump. So it's off of it. I'm not drilling holes. My gas tank's right under here. And this is super stout. So rack. One-inch thick plywood. It's cool too is I can run wire under this. I would like to put my batteries, one on each side, but they're going to be stuck together on this side with copper bus bars that I will make. And the amps will go over there. And this gives me a little bit of storage on each side. So now I got to make another platform, go from here, figure out how I'm going to connect them so it can all be dismantled with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bolts and whatever I take to connect that platform in this amp rack. So if I have to do any kind of mechanical work, it's a couple bolts, slide everything out and hook some wires. So now I gotta cut here, figure out a way to easily attach this platform. I'm gonna keep the last one I made because it covers the corners, and I can make this one piece. And this will be sick because I can use this as a wall platform. This whole thing, actually, without fucking up my car too much. It'll be nice and secure. Nice and strong, easy to take out, no drilling holes in the floorboard. I already have 2 layers on here. It's from my first build, last build. Like I said before, I'm going to keep these ones on, so I'm going to screw these on because the corners are cut into it. So whole spare tire compartment is full of foam. Everything is full of foam. Bam. New sub platform. Amp rack with batteries. I ain't quitting. Fucking blew up my shit. Getting there already. Shit looks super clean. So, subs up. Probably gonna invert them. And then port back. Batteries. SK 3500. RP 150x4. And then I will end up getting a mini amp for my tweets. Because these tuned at 80 Hertz on the low pass filter sound amazing. Or on the high pass filter, I mean. So I want to get a separate amp for my 4 tweeters. I got another set, I haven't gotten to it yet. But look at all this freaking room. Crazy. What up, YouTube? Just wanted to give you guys a quick update. I ain't giving up yet. Put some more money away for my SK. 3500. And I got this platform, an amp rack, as solid as it can get. What's cool is that amp rack, because I do plan on flat walling this, so I could kind of make, 418s. So how can I show you guys? Go at like a back slant and then like an up slant, so I could fit them right there. And then I'll just build off of that solid ass amp rack I welded together. So other than that, man, coronavirus shit here in Orange County is getting crazy. So my build is gonna take a little bit longer because I don't know what the fuck's gonna happen. Martial law, some crazy shit, but stay safe and don't get sick. So there's nothing in the grocery stores here. People are so greedy. Can't find toilet paper, Kleenex, napkins, nothing. It's insanity right now. But other than that, man, base on, stay safe, and thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. More videos to come. Alright.